This is the continuation of my reports about tips to handle information management. First, data lifecycle management. Retention policies define and implement data retention policies that specify how long different types of data should be kept. For example, customer transaction data will be retained for 7 years to comply with the regulatory requirements. Achieving and disposal. Implement processes for achieving outdated information and securely disposing of data that is no longer needed. Example, old financial records will be achieved in a secure encrypted storage system accessible only to authorized person. Next, integration data sources. Data integration tool use data integration tools to combine data from different sources, ensuring the holistic view and reducing data silos. For example, we use Talent for ETL processes to integrate data from our CRM, ERP, and other platform. Consistent data formats. Standardized data formats across different system and platform to ensure compatibility and ease of integration. For example, all customer data will be standardized to include fields such as first name, last name, email, and phone number in a consistent format. Next, monitor and evaluate. Perform matrix, establish matrix to monitor the effectiveness of information management practices. For example, track track data accuracy rates monthly and aim for a 99% accuracy rate in all reports. Continuous implement. Regularly review and improve information management process based on feedback and performance matrix. For example, review the data management process quarterly and implement changes based on performance matrix and user feedback. Next, legal and regulatory compliance. Stay informed. Keep up to date with relevant laws and regularly regarding data management and privacy. Example, stay informed about GDRP and CCRP updates to ensure our data practices retain compliant. Compliance audits. Conduct regular compliance audits to ensure that information management practices meet legal requirements. For example, perform annual compliance audits to ensure our data management practices meet all legal and regulatory requirements. Next, disaster recovery and backups. Regular backups. Ensure that data is regularly backup with backup to prevent loss in case of system failures. For example, perform daily backups backups of all critical data to our secure cloud storage. Disaster recovery plan. Develop and maintain a disaster recovery plan to quickly restore access to information in case of emergencies. Example, develop a disaster recovery plan that includes step for data recovery and system restoration within 24 hours of an incident. Next, effective communication. Provide clear instruction and guidelines for report generation and data entry. For example, for monthly sale reports, use the provided Excel template, fill in the sales figure for each product category and ensure all calculations are correct before submitting the reports. Feedback feedback backup mechanism. Implement feedback mechanism to gather input from report user and continuously improve reporting process. For example, please fill out this short survey to let us know how we can improve the monthly sales and reports templates. Next, Sca scalability and flexibility. Scalable solution. Your scalable reporting solution that can handle increasing data volume as the organization grows. For example, by using BI Power, we can handle large data sets and create dynamic reports that grows with our business needs. Adaptability. Ensure reporting system and processes can adapt to changing business needs and new data sources. Example, our data model is designed to adapt quickly, allowing to incorporate new data sources and meet changing business requirements. Define clear objectives. Set reporting goals. Clearly define and purpose and goals of each report to ensure relevance and focus. Example, the purpose of this report is analyze monthly sales performance across different regions and identify areas for improvement. Identif identify key metrics. Determine the key metrics and data points that need to be included in the report to align with business objectives. For example, include metrics such as revenue growth, customer retention rate, and average order value to assist our sales performance. Identify key metrics. Determine the key metrics and data points that need to be included in the reports to align with business. Okay, muna to pala ang example. Okay, next. Encourage collaboration across departments. Faster communication. Provide communication between departments to ensure comprehensive data collection and sharing. For example, establish clear communication channel such as dedicated Slack channel, email groups, and internet forums where department can easily share information and updates. Collaborative tools. Use tools that facilitate teamwork and data integration. For example, for example, utilize shared platform like Google Workplace, Microsoft Teams to allow seamless collaboration on documents, spreadsheet, and presentation. This platform support real-time ending and commenting and ma- commenting, making it easier for department to work together. Yun lang. Thank you, sir. Thank you, classmates. University. Say,